Yeah, C2, nigga. Yeah, know what it is on me.
Know what it is on me.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it to the top, man. It's another level, 2020, nigga.
2020, nigga.
Yeah, I got my niggas on my side. What you gonna do, nigga? Yeah, C2, nigga. Here we go again, homie. Yeah. Okay, C2, I ain't scared of none, boy. When I flow, man, when my flow weird, dog. Tell my rappers how we here, dog. It's how we rap in the hood. It's how we rap in the hood. I got my homies in the hood. That's how we dancing here. That's how we moving side to side. Tell these rappers that we ain't shit. I pull the trigger like I'm Jackson. Do the moonwalk on the summertime. All these rappers up, I think I'm funny with it. Oh, goddamn, I put it up. What you gonna say? City's on the west side. Man, I got my homies in the hood. This is how we do it. Keep pushing, trying to find some paper, dog. Yeah, all I do is hustle. On the game, I never change. I'm still the one on the game. Hold up, I got my squad on my team, on my side. I'm still pushing up, dog. Okay, hold up. I'm still hustling. Tell these rappers up when I'm reminiscing and I'm telling these rappers up. I came with the flow, I came with the Joe sucker, nigga. This how we do it, yeah. Nigga, young niggas for it. Put your hands up, man. This my hood, dog. You already know what it is. Tell these rappers up, I roll it up. Tell these rappers up, I be cooking up. This a rap home, boy. This how we pull your hands up. Tell these rappers up, I'm not a Casanova. When I roll up, tell these rappers up, I roll up. When I kick it up, tell these rappers up, I'm on my hood. What you know it is? Tell these rappers up, I flow, nigga. When I came, tell these rappers mean ace. And I'm aiming on these rappers. What you gonna do? Say when I say so. When I flow, though, tell me, nigga, I'm C2 better fast, man. I ain't scared of nothing, boy. Tell these rappers up. When I flow, I can't nothing. Tell these rappers up. Lick it when I say so. Tell these rappers up. When I'm trying to kill your rappers up. Flowed up, I hate it. Nigga, tell these rappers up. Feels like I'm Tupac on the game. Tell these rappers up. I'm C2 on the aim. I'm aiming on these rappers up. What you gonna do or say? Yeah, you already know, nigga. You already know, nigga. I'm on my hood, dog. I'm on my hood, dog. Here we go again. I tell these rappers up, I never rush. I'm on my way. 2020, 2020, Wait, flow, game. Tell these rappers up, not a game. Tell these rappers up, flow, damn. I'm killing them. Hold up, I'm pressing them. All these rappers up, I want a paper, homie. That's how we roll up. That's how we blow up, that's how we blow up. Came with the flow, young niggas LA. I don't do no ballet. This is how we flow, I tell my rappers how we here, dog. That's how we flow every day, that's how we here, dog. I tell my rapper this ain't new style, dog. That's how we drop in 2020s, this ain't new, dog. Tell these rappers that's how we do it, dog. That's how we try to roll up. Got my homies in the game, that's how we roll up. Man, don't trip it us, don't trip, niggas how we flow. Niggas how we, niggas how we, you already know, nigga. 2020, new style, C2, nigga. You already know, nigga. 2020, new style, nigga. C2, nigga.